Korean food and everything.
Yeah. What else do you want to tell?
I think
This is a park.
yeah,
People can sit down,
children.
eat.
You see children many
Yeah.
toys too for children.
Motorcycles everywhere, food.
Food.
Yeah,
They buy
everything.
the food. That's
Yeah.
the one place now they call bakso.
They
Many
call baso. It's like a meatball. Yeah,
meatball with the
like a
soup and
meatball with a
those
soup. Yeah.
local food here.
Yeah.
Every many places sell bakso. Very good.
Yeah. Everybody selling. Other dim sum, Korean, Japanese. Yeah. Dominate here. Yeah. You see motorcycles everywhere. Yeah,
Yeah,
motorcycle
motorcycle.
everywhere.
But you can learn motorcycle faster because this matic, yeah. Easy saya.
Automatic. Yeah, automatic, right?
How long you learn?
Oh, I learn even I buy motorcycle and I drive myself. Nobody teach me.
Okay,
Because see, motorcycle is like automatic, so you can learn.
by
Yeah, you can waxaa baran kartaa adiga keliya ayaa baran karta uma baahan in lagu baraya waayo waa automatic mootooyinka o dhan waa automatic waddankan way u
Yeah, as
badan
soon as you can drive bicycle, I think it's more easy to learn motorcycle.
this is children also. Yeah,
Because they
people
can drawing over there.
drawing children here. Drawing children selling food. Here selling food also. Like you see here is a motorcycle. It's a more motorcycle than people. More motorcycle in the people.
100,000.
100,000.
Every people must have motorcycle. One person, one motorcycle.
One person, one motorcycle. Yeah. Yeah. Like you see everybody walking.
After tired, they sitting, they can buy food,
Yeah.
they
Food.
eat,
Yeah.
talking.
Yeah. Yeah. Like you see here, this is a park. Yeah. And this is my kid. Keep going. Yeah, this is my family. Yeah, my wife, my son Jabril, and my daughter Sarah. So we go around. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, two or three, four times a week we come here and walking around. We can go different places. Yeah, we can go different places. Yeah, yeah. It's called Beja motorcycle. Yeah, and yeah. This my car. Yeah, yeah, this is my car, Mitsubishi. And this is my little business. You can see, you can see my car. Yeah, Taste of India, Georgia. So yeah, it's a beautiful thing. You see.